What if I told you that your financial future depends not on how much you earn, but on how well you manage it? You could be making six figures and still be trapped in the rat race if you don't know how to make your money work for you. In this video, we'll explore 6 powerful lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad that can transform your mindset about money and wealth. This book completely changed my life and the way I think about money, and today I want to break down the 6 biggest takeaways that had the biggest impact on me. The first and probably the most important lesson is understanding the true meaning of wealth. It's not about driving fancy cars or having a big house. It's about freedom and options. It's about having your money work for you, not the other way around. Real wealth is about building assets that generate income even while you sleep. That's the kind of security and peace of mind that true wealth brings. And that brings us to lesson number 2, knowing the difference between an asset and a liability. An asset puts money in your pocket, like a rental property that generates cash flow or a stock that pays dividends. A liability, on the other hand, takes money out of your pocket. Think car payments, credit card debt, or even that big fancy house that just drains your bank account. The key to building wealth, according to Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is to focus on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities. It's like building a financial fortress, brick by brick, with each asset strengthening your position. This concept is the foundation of financial literacy. Now let's talk about putting your money to work. The whole point of building assets is to create passive income streams that free you from the need to trade your time for money. Rich people don't work for money, they make their money work for them. They invest in stocks, start businesses, buy rental properties, all with the goal of creating income streams that flow in whether they're working or not. When you have assets generating passive income, that's when you break free from the treadmill and start building real wealth. Chapter 4. The Power of Financial Education. Rich Dad. Poor Dad emphasizes that financial education is not something they teach you in school. You have to actively seek it out, whether it's through books, courses, mentors, or even just paying attention to financial news. The more you learn about money, investments, and the economy, the better equipped you are to make smart financial decisions. Chapter 5. Embrace failure and take risks. The road to financial freedom is not always smooth. There will be bumps along the way, maybe even a few crashes. Rich Dad teaches us that the greatest risk is not taking any risks at all. If you want to achieve extraordinary results, you have to be willing to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow, to refine your approach and come back stronger. Chapter 6. Building passive income sources. This is the holy grail of financial freedom, the point where your money works so hard for you that you don't have to work for it anymore. Passive income can come from a variety of sources, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, online businesses, or even royalties from creative work. It takes time and effort to build up these passive income streams, but the rewards are well worth it. So there you have it, 6 powerful lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that can change how you think about money and set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and how hard you make it work for you. Start applying these lessons today and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Pick up a copy of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, dive in, and start building your own path to financial success. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Let's spread the message of financial literacy and empower each other to achieve our financial goals.